I have hard, compacted, red clay soil. This is very difficult to grow in. You see these big chunks right here? This is very difficult to grow in. So what I did before I could start growing healthy plants and vegetables is I had to add in a lot of organic matter. And where did I get that from? From cutting my grass, leaves falling from the trees, and from food scraps, organic food scraps, and putting that in the compost bin. So let's take a look at my compost bin. You're not gonna come. So in here, I was just yesterday, I was raking up a bunch of leaves, all types of organic matter, leaves from this American holly that I have, and a bunch of grass. And granted, it's a little nitrogen heavy, so when it's nitrogen heavy, I tend to let the grass dry out before adding it in the compost bin. I lay it out on the tarp, let it dry out completely, let it turn into hay, and that decreases the nitrogen content, and it makes it so it does not stink. But this is all free fertilizer for your plants and vegetables. You don't need to grow in ground. You can do above ground beds with a bunch of compost. Can you come over here and look at the finished compost? And this is what us in the garden community call black gold. This is deep, dark brown, rich compost. This is finished compost. Plants will love this. You can get a worm or something. And when you have good compost, you have worms in there breaking down the food, breaking down everything so that they leave worm castings, but also this is a good indication that you have good quality soil when you see a bunch of worms in there.